Once the floor is confirmed as a candidate for recoating, proper surface preparation is essential. The area is thoroughly prepped to remove any contaminants, ensuring optimal adhesion. Epoxy materials are then mixed and installed with precision. It is blended in a large vessel and immediately poured onto the floor, followed by back rolling and cross-hatching in the opposite direction. This technique promotes self-leveling and ensures a smooth, uniform, and visually appealing finish. This is why Techniquex floors don't peel. They're built on precise preparation and a proven process.